Hey guys, today let's learn how to screenshot one-time view pictures on WhatsApp. So this is going to be a tricky tutorial because screenshotting one-time view only pictures on WhatsApp is technically not possible. But if you can actually go ahead and screen record your devices using a third-party screen recording software like what I'm using. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like on a PC. So if you go ahead and switch, or if I go ahead and switch, that's going to go ahead and look like something like this. As you would see, this is what that should look like. It does show me the screen recording software over here, and also I'm currently recording my screens using OBS. So you can actually go ahead and record your screens like so, and then proceed with viewing that one-time view only photo, and then it's gonna be viewed via this screen recording software. And what this screen recording software is called a Power Mirror, which you can easily download online and set it up pretty easily. It is pretty straightforward. Go ahead and try it out yourselves, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.